Good morning, nature explorers! It's been snowing all night and I'm not in space, I am in a pile of snow. And we went to forest this morning. It's just amazing. I cannot even imagine anymore to be living in a city center because I need to find a pot with some ground because I want to plant something. And I remember there was a pot next to the tree. Let's go and see, is it there? So, are you here, baby? I just need some ground because I have some seeds, and if I won't put them in the ground, they will die. Okay. Yes, I know. Oh, there's a bug. Hi, little fella. Are you alive? Are you sleeping? Okay. So we're gonna. Oh my gosh. We're gonna take this inside and freeze it. Unfreeze it, and then I'm gonna put some castanea in there. That's our snowman. Snowman family is a bit sad today. Snegatra! Se oli ļoti skaisti. Sniega vīrs. Dabīgs. Pagaidzi, te nokritīšu bišķi.